favorite animals to use in PvP. So, I'll start. So to first start off is the Therizino. Therizino's good, powerful, for one of these reasons. Gives you a mass amount of wood, and when you use it correctly, it gets fiber. So, this is something for like a wooden base. It collects fiber, wood's great. So if you're gonna try to make like a massive wooden base, I would recommend getting these guys. They're great for PvP. They deal mass amount of damage. These things are like known for taking out Rexes and stuff like that. So while those guys are out trying to tame a Rex, which takes 3.5 hours, you could be over here trying to tame a Theris. You know that only takes 2 hours. Alright, the second on our list is the Direwolf. The Direwolf is a great PvP. The Direwolf is fast, agile, and deals mass amounts of damage. It is one of the great, like, I'm talking one of like the best things to use to go into caves. Now, the great thing about these PvP is that you can kind of like the little health bar kind of shows like the health, like when it's like let me try to find an animal to go real quick. Alright, let's see. Can we find something? How did that die already? Alright, let me get some stam on this end. Alright, here we go. So, come on, just let me already just try, use this guy. Alright. So, when you start to fight it, it starts to show the health. And you see how it got gray and then it got to white, which means it's dead. I mean, not gray, orange. So, that's the Direwolf. The third in our great part about Direwolf, you don't need a saddle. The Caprocitrus. It's great because you can grab people, and they might not deal a ton of damage, but they're fast when you jump, and they're great for just like a starter tame. Like they're not too hard to tame. You just need a bola, maybe a couple trank arrows. So, give me a second, let me get some stamina back on. But these guys they don't have great stam or weight, so I don't really recommend this for carrying stuff. It is a great traveler. Oh, that's kind of a lot of raptors. So, there's the Dilophosaur. I grab the Dilophosaur, he is not in my mouth, and then I can attack and then he'll die. So you can pick up not as big as stuff. I don't think you can pick up anything bigger than a human. Like a Carno, you can't pick up. But like, these guys right here, really easy to pick up. Not too much to handle. But you can pick up humans and do that. Alright. Alright. Let's head back over here. And let's show you not the fourth one on this list. The dire bear. They're great for traveling. They have decent amount of health, decent stats, decent weight. They got great melee. So when as you run for as quick as you can, you go faster. The only problem is when you run into a rock, you stop the running. But you can also use your normal bite in this run. If you use a secondary bite, which is his claw attack, it stops the runnings, which is the only bad part about it. Alright, but yeah, they're great. They can gather berries, and they're also great for gathering fiber. They are great animal. They are not like a turret soaker. I do not recommend using these things to soak turrets. The fifth thing on my list, and the last, is the Thylacoleo. I would recommend this the best out of every single one of them. Because for one, it's great for traveling. It's got great speed, deals really good amount of melee, and it's got a decent amount of weight. And the best part about it is it can climb walls. Let me show you an example. See, there is no competition getting in your way when you see somebody trying to attack you. And you don't want to risk it. Alright. There you go, you just saw me climb up that wall. Easy. These things I recommend using them for PvP a lot because they are great for killing animals and destroying different structures like thatch and wood. They do not gather wood or berries, but they are great for traveling. They got decent speed. Now it's only got one attack. It does have a roar. Yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's video. So if you like this video, leave a like, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.